Well, hi, good afternoon, Tracy. That's right. It's really an all of the above approach for the Philadelphia School District. It says that it has been working to make buildings here asbestos safe. That's in addition to implementing numerous COVID safety protocols. And the goal here is to have all of that done by the time hybrid learning starts, which should happen mid-November. Mid-March of 2020, that was the last time students in the Philadelphia School District were physically inside school buildings. Back then, the culprit was COVID. But in February, another problem forced students in some schools to stay home.
I was telling my daughter, I was like, wow, I can't believe this is happening.
Asbestos kept Lucy Santiago's daughter home from Hopkinson Elementary School. District Superintendent Dr. William Height says that's been a big focus over the past few months.
Some 250,000 feet of asbestos-containing materials were removed from buildings. That was work that was already planned. We've been able to do a lot more because the schools have been closed.
However, Jerry Roseman wants the district to make its asbestos work and the specifics behind it public before students and staff return. He's the environmental director for the Philadelphia Teachers Union.
For asbestos, there has to be formal proof and a way to determine that all work was done properly, and there's no damaged asbestos. That information is still needed.
Meanwhile, the district's chief operation officer, Reginald McNeil, says district workers have also been making upgrades to keep students safe from COVID.
We have staff that have been in our facilities since June, and they are installing partitions, installing hand sanitizing stations.
This comes after the Simons Recreation Center, one of the dozens of access centers operated by the city of Philadelphia, closed this week. One of its staffers tested positive for COVID. We're told that access center is undergoing deep cleaning and reopens October 1st. Now, again, those are run by the city and not the district, but we took that information to then ask the Philadelphia School District Superintendent what he would do if there's an outbreak at one of the schools. And he says that really depends on the number of COVID cases at that school. And he says that, yes, we do expect something like that to happen, but he does say that it's up to the city health department to determine whether the school stays open or whether it closes. And we are live tonight in East Falls. Stephanía Jiménez, NBC10 News.
Stephanía, thank you for that.